Hello everyone. I will make these three things in this video. Let's start. This is super clay. It will be a brush holder. It needs to be right. So let's make a jewelry holder. Here we need to apply gesso or white color. The jewelry holder is ready. Here I'm making a cute octopus with the clay. The cute octopus is ready, dear. If you like this video, visit my channel and please subscribe my channel.